Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi and today I have an unboxing for you. I just got this surprise box. This is the winter surprise box for 2020. This is from Erin Condren and this came super fast. I feel like I just ordered a couple of days ago and I got it. So let's take a look and see what we got. I'm not gonna look at the card. I think the items are on the back. So let's put that to the side. And, oh, okay. I'm grabbing everything. Ah, hold on, please. So it came packaged like this. Something's falling out of it. This is my second time ordering the surprise box. My first box was the summer 2020, and I'll leave my video up here, my unboxing. I was not kind to that box. I have to be honest. I saw the fall one and I was like, oh, I like that. So let's see what we get. I didn't see any previews, sneak peeks, any of that. So let's see what we got. You know what? I don't want to look. Let's make this a real surprise. So let's cover that, but I need to take this paper. This is so loud. All right. Can you see there? First item. Okay, I saw it. Okay, so we have 2 rolls of washi here. Let me see here. Which we can all use more washi, right? It's so funny because I got an item from Michael's for my organizing system. Oh, this is pretty. And you know what I like? I like the fact that you have 2 different metals. This one is gold. Let me see if I can open it. If I find the end over here. Right here. So this one is like a cream and gold. Can you see there? Beautiful. It's really pretty. And you have this dark blue, navy blue with silver. This is pretty. I like this. Why can I find the... Oh, here. Let me show you. Oh, that's pretty. Very pretty. I hope that you can see there. Silver. I like that they're giving us 2 different finishing, 2 different metals. So in case you're not a fan of gold or silver, you get 1 of each. So that's nice. Okay, so I saw this little box. Let's see. This is a mini Petite planner set. I think they're Petite books. Yeah. Where are they? Petite planners. Okay. They're very small. Very, very small. Oh, that's pretty. Let me see. You can see they're the size of my hand, really. Just a little bit bigger than my hand, maybe. About the size of my hand. So the books are going to be small. Oops. Okay. All right, so this is the layers, I guess. Oh, they're just little notebooks. Do they have a front and back? Let me see. Oh, here's the back. Okay, the only way you know it's the front and the back is because it has their logo here. This is a very nice color and it feels good on the hand. So you can, oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is different. Okay, hold on. This one has headers in blue that match the cover. Oh, this one, you know what? This is the productivity layout. Yeah, so that's line. This is productivity. This purple is, okay. This would work for my daily expenses, because you can put the expense here, the amount, then you can check it, whether it was cash or credit, debit, whatnot. Oh, I like this. And I really like this color, the silver. And then the last one is this. I think it's the wrong way. Let me see. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's all just blank pages. Okay. All right. So I don't know if I'm going to use this one, but this one, definitely. This is a good size too. I like that. I love this for list and just plain line paper. This set is really pretty. The only thing is this one, I don't know if I'm going to use this color, but the other three are real nice, and they come in this little box. It's very compact, so you can just keep it on your desk. There's something on this planner. Hold on. All right, so very nice. I like the set. Look at that. All right, so let's put that there. Next item. This is a 2x2. Oh no, it's scratched. Let me see. A paper clip. Okay. Oh, I love paper clips. I have the Hello Kitty one. I have it right here. Let me show you. I have the Hello Kitty one right here. So pretty. And this is with the rose gold. Oh, this is pretty. Yes. Look at that. And here's a Hello Kitty. Oh. Looks like my Hello Kitty is tarnishing already. I need to polish it. There you go. They're a big size. This is probably like 3x2 probably, and this is 2x2. All right. So I'm good with that. Next one. Oh, it's this whole thing. What is this? A frame? Acrylic planner stand. Oh, this is a stand. What? Wait a minute. Let me see this. All right, I don't have a stand. Actually, I was just telling my husband that I wanted to buy some bookends to keep my planners, and they don't, because they're getting like scratched and the covers are getting, you know, they're bending the wrong way and stuff because I have them all on top of each other. Dream it, believe it, plan for it. This is nice. This is heavy, you guys. This is not flimsy at all. So let me see. Wow. All right. And then it showed that it has to go this way. I think. Let me see. Oh, it's on the back. Yeah, that's how it goes. Okay. So go all the way in. Let's see. I don't want to scratch it. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oof. Oh, this is pretty. And then, let me show you. I'll show you this. Oh my God. Okay, you have to kind of make sure that it's balanced. If you put it too close to this corner right here, it's gonna fall over. It tilts over. So you basically, let me get another one. Let me get one of my other planners. All right, so when you put your planner, you guys, don't set your planner, see, it doesn't hold. Like if you set your planner right here against the back, it's not gonna hold it. It's gonna flip, see? So what you have to do is you have to go like this and kind of set it away from the back, from this right here. Unless the coil, no, yeah. So it has to be kind of like that. All right. Well, that is pretty. I like it. But it doesn't stay against the back. There you go. See? Which you would think, oh, you know what? Maybe I did the wrong way. Hold on, let me see. Let me flip this. Oh, probably I did the wrong way because this side is wider than this. So I'm thinking the wider side goes to the back. Yeah, okay. There you go. Okay, so there's a right way and a wrong way to put this together, okay? So when you open this up and you look, can you see there? I don't even know. You see from this cutoff right here, this part is wider than this. So the wider part, you're gonna put it towards the back of the stand, like this. And when you set it, you'll be able to set your planner. Oh, that is so nice. I like it. Okay, I really like this. I don't have anything like this, you guys. I really like it. Let me see if it's gonna hold my binder. Yes, it holds my binder. Look at that. I wonder how much this is. Okay, I'm not gonna look at the card yet, and I'll tell you the prices after. But that is, I like that. All right, so next. Okay, let's look at this because this fell off the box. All right, so metallic gel pens. There's 3 of them. And let's try. Okay, that was not very ladylike. All right, so you have 3 different metallic gel pens, blue, silver, and gold. All right, so let's try it out here. Okay, that's like a burnt gold. It's not really bright. Oh, this is a pretty silver. Okay, it's a nice silver. And let's check out the blue. Oh yeah, pretty. Okay, this one is really pretty. The silver is nice. And the gold, it's not a bright gold. It's almost like a brassy gold. So those are nice. Let me see. And they dry super fast. Oh, maybe. Yeah. All right, so we have 3 pens. And what else do we have here? Gold setting sticker book. Oh, nice. Oh, this is a tiny one. Last box, the summer box had a big pack, maybe like this big. Oh, okay. Oh, those are pretty. And you have different metals. Gold, silver, rose gold, and silver. Those are pretty. Oh, and this is gonna work for your petite planners because they're little. All right. So let me put this behind us here. And we have, oh yay! We have a cover. Oh, that is nice. That's nice. Okay. So, and this matches with the washi, with the pens. I mean, everything's nice here. Let me try this cover. So I'm just gonna try the front. Let me see. All right, look at that. That is beautiful. I like that. All right, and here's the back. Okay, you guys, so that is the new, this is the winter surprise box from Erin Condren. And let me tell you the prices here. All right, so the first thing is the stand. This is $24. The Petite Planner set is $24. The pens, no, the cover is $13. The sticker book, which is a mini, it's $8.50. The set of pens is, let me see, $6.50, that's all. I think that's a good price. The washi is $5.50. Oi, let me see. So the washi is $5.50. The page marker, it's $4. And that's it. So I say, okay, out of these items, I'm definitely gonna use the cover. I'm definitely using the pens, the washi, the page marker. The stickers, most likely I'll use them. Out of the 4 mini, no, what are they called? Yeah, out of the 4 petite planners, only the aqua one, this one, I don't know if I'm gonna use this, but this other 3, yes, definitely. And the stand, oh my, the stand is so nice. I really like that too. All right, so this is the winter surprise box for 2020. I like everything. There's only basically 1, maybe 2 things that I'm not gonna use. One of the petite planners and maybe the stickers, but everything else I think is, yeah, it's real nice. Really nice quality, and I think it was so fast. Delivery was here in just a couple of days, and I think it's worth the purchase. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.